Alorair Smart Dehumidifier Reviews. Transportable, long-lasting. Alorair Smart Dehumidifier has two widths, 8 inches, wheels and a fold-down hand grip that helps to move quickly from one place to another. The model is so good and convenient. Great control. Alorair Smart Dehumidifier has come with excellent and high materials. It makes it superior. Also, it has adequate access. Outstanding performance. This device is significant, ultra, and impenetrable. Pre-cooling circuit technology makes it usable for cleaning carpet, laundry, depot, and ground floor. Efficient function. The dehumidifier has two options for connection modes: Wi-Fi connection and direct connection. Excellent appearance. The dehumidifier has excellent color, yellow. Even though the price is high, the materials of the device are so much useful. Why should you buy Alorair? As you have known from Alorair Smart Dehumidifier Reviews, this device is the perfect wetness solution. Alorair Smart Commercial Dehumidifier has high-quality coverage and pint capacity.